I look okay?
You look perfect.
How's it going, patron?
Let's make a deal. You tell me your secrets and I'll tell you mine. Okay?
Our trip is an excuse to attend a congress of drug traffickers.
Señores, Virginia Vallejo.
Virginia, how are you? When did you arrive?
Today.
Pablo introduces me to his associates in the cartel. He shows me off to them like a trophy. And I know that they are also there to evaluate me. Between them, they form a new social class, the Narco Millionaires. And I'm the only journalist with exclusive access to their first summit.
Thank you. I'm going to get a drink.
Stay close, Virginia. These men can't be trusted. Okay?
The most illegal thing I've ever done before that day was to double park. But the truth is, never in my life had I felt safer.
All our products is labeled with a color that doesn't change. So whoever buys
That night, they split the United States of America among them. Florida for the Medellín cartel, New York for the Cali cartel. The independents add their shipments to Pablo's. They know that nobody would ever dare to steal even 1 gram from him. Seeing him in his natural habitat is addictive. Thanks to those men, it is going to snow cocaine in the US.
Are you nuts? What the fuck are you doing?
Ándate pa'l carro, gonorrea, tiró. Échate pa' atrás, hombre.
Stuck in a jam on Highway 75, heading southbound out of Tampa.
They call them the saints because they make the miracle of multiplication up there. Do the math. 1 kilo is worth $7,000 here in Colombia. In the United States, they cut it, add lactose, and it becomes 3 kilos, which are worth $150,000 there. Is that a miracle or not?
But as long as you play it straight, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.